Hello! Today I'm going to take you through how to print an Excel spreadsheet from Word. On the right is an example list I made. There are a variety of items with their price next to them. Below that is a sum formula giving us the total cost of all the supplies. First, select the table. Then press Ctrl-C to copy the table to your clipboard. Now, let's get our Word document set up. We need to make sure our ViewPlus embosser is the selected printer. So go to File, Print, Printer, and make sure your embosser is selected. Go back to the document. We'll want this to be 11.5 by 11. So go to Layout, Size, and select 11.5 by 11, Office 2010. Next, press Ctrl-V to paste the copied table into Word. You'll notice that the table has no colored borders. To fix this, select the table, then go to Design, Pen Color, choose a color in the lighter gray region, then go to the Borders button and select All Borders. This is done to ensure that the reader can tell Braille from cell borders. To translate, just go to Tiger, Translate Document. This can take time depending on your computer's hardware, so just be patient. It's normal for Word to seem to freeze during translation. Once translation is completed, verify that the table has been cleanly implemented. Then go to File, Print, and print your document. For more tutorials, go to www.viewplus.com or to our YouTube channel.